What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your LinkedIn account. Now, how do you do this? Once you're inside LinkedIn guys and you're on your profile, you can easily verify your account by simply clicking where it says me. If you click that little drop down, you will see it shows that your account needs to be verified. So you can click on that to actually start the verification process, or you can go ahead and you can click on your profile on the upper left hand side. Here you will see that it shows you that you can add a verification badge. It simply means that it wants to verify your account. So you can go anywhere actually to choose this option to verify your account. So what do we do to verify? Just click the little drop down as I mentioned here, and you can click verify. It's going to take you over here, and there's two things to actually verify, right? So you can verify using your work email. So if you have a work email, you can actually put that in, or you can verify using your government ID. So there's two options you can actually do. So if you have a work email, for example, you can click in that and you can enter your work email. Keep in mind that it's going to ask you to enter the work email based on where you say that you're working. So if you're working for a specific company, you can actually enter your work email address. For my professional work, I would enter the work email address of the company that I work for. But of course, I want to ensure that I also add that work experience on LinkedIn as well. So another way, as it says as well, that you can do it by putting your government ID. So you can come here and you can basically do it through the app. It says that you can use the mobile app to verify that. So you'll need to download the LinkedIn app. You need to open the app, scan this QR code, and the simple follow the steps in order to do the verification process. It's a very straightforward process. So just go ahead and do one of the both, whichever one you're comfortable with, and you'll be able to verify your LinkedIn account. Once that is done, you will have the badge show up on your account, and that's going to simply show and prove that your account is fully verified. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.